We have already done question 1 to question 5 of this paper, and I am going to share the link with you for that. Today I am going to start from question number 6. Question number 6 is about number line. The number line is shown here. This circle is an empty circle, so the line is showing the integers which are greater than -3. So we write down the inequality shown on the number line. X is greater than -3. Part B of the question is asking to list all the integers which satisfy all three of the following inequalities. So I have written them. Inequalities. This is 4, 5, 6, and this completes our question. We go to question 7, and 7 is asking you to write down number of elements in A. So we count 2, 4, 6, 12, 18, 10, 8, 14, 16 are the elements of A. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you are going to write down N A is equal to 9 and get this mark. For part B, you have to write down the list the elements of set B. So we start with the smallest and write down 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and get 2 marks for this. In part C, complete the statement A intersection B, and then you have to fill in this. X is such that X is, when we look at A intersection B, this is A intersection B, and they are multiples of 6. So we write down multiple of 6. Question 8. The height h meters of a tower is 76.3 meter. Correct to 1 decimal place. Complete this statement about the value of h. Now here is h, and this is equal to or less than. So 76.3 is equal to or less than h. Whereas when it is only less than, then as the height is 76.3 meter, then we are going to write out h is less than 76.4 meter, correct to 1 decimal place and get 2 marks. This is question number 9. The diagram shows an incomplete scale drawing of a marketplace. This diagram. A, B, C, D, where D is on CX. This is CX. And D is somewhere over here on this. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 5 meters. Actually, D was not shown here, it was to be drawn in the next step here. D lies on CX such that angle DAB is equal to 75 degree. So I made angle DAB as 75 degrees with the help of D by placing D on A. And marking the point of 75 degrees. This 0 should be on this line, and 75 should be, this is 70 and this is 75. This is the mark I have made for 75 degrees, and then made a line of 75 degree angle wherever it goes and cuts CX, it goes and cuts CX at this point, and this point is D as given in the question. On the diagram, draw the line AD and mark the point D. So we have done this and secured our 2 marks. Part B of the question asks us to find the actual length of the side BC of the marketplace. This is side BC. The actual length is to be found in meters, and for that we have to measure side BC. So when we measure side BC, it is 10 centimeter, and we write it here as length BC equal to 10 centimeter, and the scale we have already read is 1 centimeter represents 5 meters. So 10 centimeter multiplied by 5 meter per centimeter, because 1 centimeter represents 5 meter. Centimeter and centimeter gets cancelled and we got 50 meter length. Part C of the question, write the scale of the drawing in the form of 1:n. The scale is 1 centimeter equal to 5 meter. We convert this centimeter into meter by multiplying it with 10 power minus 2, and then take 10 power minus 2 on the other side. So this becomes 1 meter, and that becomes 5 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 2, because it was minus 2 on this side, it will be plus 2 on the other side. So it becomes 1:n becomes 1:500, and here you write 500 and get 1 mark. Then we go to question number 10. There is an equation given to us, m is equal to root k plus 1 over 4, and requirement is that we have to make k the subject of the formula. So in order to get rid of the square, we square both sides. M square is equal to bracket root k plus 1 over 4 whole square, and the root gets cancelled, and we are left with m square is equal to k plus 1 over 4, and ultimately we come out to a answer where k is equal to 4m square minus 1, and our 3 marks are secured.